Hello, folks.
So as you can see, this is the headset that I made a video on not long ago. Actually really makes it nice and easy with the adjustable settings on it. So I fly the space station and I do a lot of stuff wirelessly. You don't need any cable. And this is not the cable that cost 80 bucks from Metalink. This is a cable I got
On Amazon.com.
And what's cool about it, because you need to do this if you're going to fly Aerofly or any of the sims, you're going to need a cable to hook to the computer. And so that connects right here to the computer. But the cool thing about this also is it has a charging port built into it right here. And look at this. If I take I can use any USB 5 volt. This just happens to be a backup. I can plug this into here. And look at that. The light is on. And we are now charging the headset, and you can see how that's showing the charge right there. So that's a pretty good cable. You're going to need that if you want to fly the simulator. I'd love to be able to show you how the virtual reality looks. It's unbelievable compared to what you're seeing on the screen, but what a blast.
Well, this is inside the space station, and it's just as smooth as silk inside the headset, and you can really feel it. You know, you can float around inside and outside and see the entire thing. You can push yourself around by bumping into things and moving your hand. It's pretty amazing. Well, it appears jerky here, and that's because when I'm recording it uses much more memory, but it's not jerky at all inside. Here I'm just floating through the passageway, exploring. You can explore every single inch, and this thing is quite amazing. I wish I could show you. I mean, you're surrounded. Everywhere you look, you can see, just like you're in there. This is the Aerofly FS, or the full-scale flight sim. Well, in virtual reality with the headset, it's also smooth. It's just as close to flying as it gets. All controls, switches, dials, and everything can easily be manipulated, but you really need to know where they all are. This is a fantastic way to fly and see the country. It's also smooth as silk in the headset. I enjoy flying around places I have lived or have been. But again, these are on steampower.com, and you're going to need a computer and a cable to fly it. But wow. Now, I've tried using the Airlink, but not so good that I have luck with that, so I decided to get this cable, and it really works. I'm really enjoying this, and I thought I would show you. Although it's not real like I see it in the headset, but either way, the cable is worth it. The link is in the comments and the description box. Yeah, there's the airport. Let's drop the flaps here. And the landing gear. Landing gear. And I might tell you that I have all the graphics turned down as low as they'll go. So if you have a really powerful computer and computer graphics card, you'll be able to make absolutely perfect stuff. And also with Aerofly FS, you can dial in and put in Google Earth pictures, which are really clear. And of course, real pictures, not like the renderings here. .158 on the glide slope. Just a couple of clips of the Aerofly RC10 where we fly online on Thursday nights at 9 o'clock Central. So if you want to come and fly RC with us, come on down. So thanks so kindly for coming tonight. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode. And in case you missed it, I wrote a book that I'm sure that you'll really like. It would certainly help out with the cause if you'd buy one. Thanks so kindly.